Welcome to Intake Queue. I'm Fraser, and I'll be showing you how to create an intake form on Intake Queue. To begin creating a form, click My Forms at the top of the intake dashboard or homepage. Intake Queue has three sections for your three most commonly used forms: intake questionnaires, consent forms, and note templates. For this tutorial, we will be focusing on the questionnaire section. Intake Queue also offers form conversion at a small fee. If you'd like one of our trained associates to create the forms for you, please let us know. To create a new form, click Create New with the green plus icon. Intake Queue will ask you to name your intake questionnaire. Simply type the name into the name field. Welcome to the Intake Queue form building page. You have many options to choose from. One of the most common questions to put at the beginning of a questionnaire is a contact information section for your patients. Intake Queue has put a button on the left to allow you to quickly add this selection. Intake Queue has placed some of the more common questions to ask, but if you'd like to add another question, you will see at the bottom of the questions buttons that will allow you different types of questions. If you click Others, you will see you can add even more types of options to the questions. This type of question is called mixed controls. It allows you to place various styles of questions in the same section. If you scroll to the top of the question section, you will see there are other options for question type. Next to each question type, you will see the word example. If you hover your mouse over the word example, a window will appear showing examples of that question type. You can choose Open Answer, which allows the patient to type a long descriptive answer. Multiple choice, either single answer or multiple answer. After you enter your question, you can add however many options you would like the patient to have. Single answer only allows for one answer to be selected, for example, yes or no style questions. Or you can choose multiple answer if you'd like there to be more than one option. For example, a list of allergies or symptoms. Matrix allows you to build questions in a table format. For example, a list of medications with dosages and dates. Single answer per line also allows you for score calculation, if you wish to keep track of a client's response. The bottom four sections allow you more freedoms in your form. The section title, notes section, allows you to create headers and descriptive section in between your questions for your patients. You can use this for instructions on a question, ordering lists, images, links, and more. The section text is laid out much like Word, Pages, or any other document creator. Smart Editor can be used for advanced question types. For example, this is where you could add a body diagram for your patients to draw on. File attachment allows the patient or client to send you an important file or pictures for the questionnaire. E-signature is a section for you to include an electronic signature or approval from the patient or client. To make edits to the question, you can simply click on the question on the left to open the question, and then edit the contents of the question on the right-hand side. When you're finished making the edits, click Save at the top of the page. If you forget to, don't worry. Intake Queue auto-saves forms every 10 seconds. To attach a consent form to a questionnaire, simply click Consent Forms at the top of the page and select which consent form you want to include. When you're ready to send the form to the client, click the Send to Client button at the top left of the questionnaire. Simply enter the client's email and then click Send Form. This will send an email to the client with a password to gain access to the form. If you want to add this to your public website, here's where you can get the form public URL. Click the three-dot icon at the top, and then click Get URL. You can click on the URL at the top of the window to view how the form will look on your website. You can use this URL or the HTML code at the bottom on your personal website. These are some of the basic features of the intake form section on Intake Queue. We can also create custom headers for your forms that include your company logo, phone number, address, and more. There are many more things Intake Queue can offer you to fully customize your forms and emails that are sent to the client. For more information, feel free to visit our support page at support.intakequeue.com or contact us at hello@intakequeue.com. Intake Queue is always here to help. Thank you for watching.